Toyota has brought me across the Everglades to check out their new trio of GR GAZOO racing sports cars. Let's get into it. Now the Circuit Edition is back for the GR Corolla. We didn't know if it was going to reprise its role when this came out to the market last year, and here it is in blue flame. Now this is just one of two colors for the new GR Corolla Circuit Edition for 2024. Ice Cap is the other color, which is obviously a white color. There's a lot of similarities between this and the previous model, but let's go ahead and check out the black forged aluminum 18-inch wheels. Forged wheels are going to be much lighter than the previous model, and in fact, these are kind of inspired by the Morizo Edition wheels that we saw last year. And these are the standard wheels on all Circuit Editions. We also have this little decal here at the bottom with, of course, the GR4 stamped into the side skirt, black accent behind the wheel. And the GR badge looks great. We also have paint matte, or should I say black cladded side mirrors. We have the forged carbon fiber roof here with a matte black antenna. Then it goes back to glossy black here for the deck lid spoiler. On the back, we still have the triple exhaust, and man, the glossy black matches the spoiler so well. Also this year, Toyota's putting the GR Corolla and Gran Turismo for the first time. And 1,600 Circuit Editions will be available for the model year 2024. I would assume probably half of them would be in this blue flame, and the other half would be in the Ice Cap color. So let's get on the inside of the GR Corolla. With this year's Circuit Edition, we have these blue accents that aren't an exact match to the blue flame. This is kind of more of a richer, more of a purplish blue, but really it looks excellent against the black accents we have here. We have that suede interior with the stitching on the sides, that thick bolstering here for this race car, and the GR embroidery on the headrest looks awesome. You also have that stitching on the headrest too. The meaty handbrake here has that baseball stitching with the blue. It feels expertly crafted. I'm not gonna lie, like this is Lexus quality craftsmanship here. And on the 6-speed manual shifter, not only do we have like a carbon fiber piece in the middle with the GR and the gears stamped on top, we have a little blue accent at the bottom and blue stitching on the shift boot. I'm not gonna turn it on because we're in a hangar and I don't wanna choke anyone out with not the best circulation in here. But we have a fully digital 12-inch screen back here, and then we have the 8-inch touchscreen that is standard on all Corollas as well. Not a whole lot different. We just have standard climate control. It's not dual zone, which is perfectly fine in a car like this. We have a wireless charger back there, as well as heated seats. You have your different drive modes: custom, sport, normal, and eco. And you can see the when I put it into sport, it gives us a linear tachometer, which is pretty cool. Turbo boost, as well as the G-forces you're going to be pulling in this car as well. This steering wheel feels incredible. It's actually a little bit on the thin side, almost like a Mazda Miata steering wheel, but in my hands, it feels better quality than even a Mazda Miata. GR badge here on the steering wheel as well. And unfortunately, we don't have the blue stitching here on the dash. That would have taken it to the next level, but we do have that JBL audio sound system in here. Luckily in the back, we do have that blue stitching, not only in the top cushion, but the bottom, Alcantara, or that suede material in the middle of the seat. Of course, the seats fold down because this is a functional hatchback. And check this out back here, and this is something I didn't notice with the GR Corolla when I drove it in California, is that we have some functionality here for the rear passengers. They have a little USB-C as well as a 12-volt here. Map pockets actually on each side. That's something you don't sometimes see on luxury vehicles even. GR Corolla badge here as we lift up the lift gate. Man, this blue color looks awesome. Very limited storage space back here. This is where the battery is held for better weight distribution, and no spare tire underneath, unfortunately. Let's pop the hood, but we can take a look and appreciate those aluminum pedals and GR floor mat while we're back here. Underneath the vented hood, we have the 1.6 liter 3-cylinder turbo. 300 horsepower is unchanged, 273 pound-feet of torque is also unchanged. The engine presentation here is absolutely beautiful. I love the red contrast. It looks great with this blue. And then you have the turbo and the GR badge. And then on the airbox, you have GR Toyota GAZOO Racing as well. And of course, it is all-wheel drive standard. We have a Torsen limited slip on each axle, giving this thing some incredible on-road and off-road performance. If you guys enjoyed the paint color on here, the blue flame, smash the like button, and I'm going to give you guys walk-arounds on these other two special editions here for 2024.